Big M Stone and Tiles is situated in Brampton on Gillidan Street. They have full variety of stone, tiles, big marble slabs, and they are a big wholesale distributor of the Versace tiles also. Big M store also launched the Onex kitchen range hood products. Let's see the full report and talk to the owners here.
Hi everyone. Today we are actually launching a whole series of Onex products. The products include range hoods, kitchen sinks, bathroom sinks, anything which you need inside a washroom or in the kitchen, you can have it here. Today Onex comes home. Onex comes to Ontario, and now you can come in, touch and feel it at the Big M Stones and Tiles exclusive here at Glidden Road, Brampton. Onex came about 26 years ago, and they've still since been established and a massive brand from Vancouver. Their presence has always been across Canada, but it's always been on an e-commerce platform. So now we're getting it into Ontario, and so that you can have a good feel of those products, those quality products which they make and they're known for all across the world. Now it's your opportunity to come in, grab some of that for your own sake as well.
ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ। ਸਾਡੀ ਇਹ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਵੈਂਕੂਵਰ ਤੋਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ 25 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕਿਚਨ ਦਾ ਸਮਾਨ, ਸਿੰਕਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ, ਰੇਂਜ ਹੁੱਡ ਵਗੈਰਾ, ਬਾਥਰੂਮ ਦਾ ਸਮਾਨ, ਸਾਰੇ ਸਿੰਕਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ, ਸੀਟਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ, ਟੈਪਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ, ਫਾਸਟਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ, ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਸੇਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਓਨਟਾਰੀਓ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਿਗ ਐਮ ਐਂਡ ਸਟੋਨ ਐਂਡ ਟਾਈਲਸ ਵਿੱਚ 101 ਗਲੇਡਨ ਰੋਡ ਬਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਛੱਤ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਸਮਾਨ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਔਰ ਅੱਛੇ ਦਾਮਾਂ 'ਤੇ ਮਿਲੂਗਾ। ਤੋ ਸਾਡੀ ਇਹ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਕਸਟਮਰ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਸੈਟੀਸਫਾਈਡ ਰੱਖੀਏ ਔਰ ਸਾਡੀ ਮਾਲ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਗਾਰੰਟੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ।
People have just reached out as Onex Canada, but the products you're looking at, we're looking at range hoods, right? We got all sorts of range hoods going from the residential ones as well as the commercial products. And then now you also have all those sinks. Now, right behind me, you can see the sink as well. So these are kitchen sinks which you can apply, bathroom sinks which you can use, and then every furnishing you need inside the washroom, right? The faucets, the bidets, the handles, anything you got, call us. And we'll definitely make sure you get it.
Hi everybody, this is Guneet from Big M Stone and Tiles. We are located at 101 Glidden Road, Brampton. We deal with exclusive tiles which we have porcelain slabs, quartz, vanities and faucets, and we also deal with exclusive Versace tiles. Now we have brought up Onex premium range of hoods, and which is only available at Big M Stone and Tiles in GTA area. All of products for Onex are very premium, and we are giving all kinds of guarantee on that. You can come to the store anytime. We welcome to serve you here with our hoods, whatever you require from Onex. Thank you so much.
Hi, we heard from friends and about Big M, and we happen to know that they have also launched Onex premium hoods. So we are planning to do our basement. So we came in here today, and it's we checked on the display, we checked on tiles, we checked on the appliances, we checked on the kitchen stuff and everything. We're extremely happy. And what do you think we should?
Lots of variety, and the team really knows their subject, so a lot of good advice as well. So this was actually a one-stop shop for the kitchen appliances. Best of luck, team. Thank you.
Hello, we are here at the Big M store today. We came to look at the products, the tiles and hoods and faucets.
We saw the ad on Instagram, and the collection looks very interesting. So we're looking forward to explore it more.
And there's a launch. We realized once we came here, Onex for kitchen hoods and sinks. And I think the information and the brand is excellent. And I hope we can get some stuff for our home.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We just saw the variety of Onex. We really liked it, and we'll look forward to buy something from them. It was very good, very sleek, very nice.
It's a great opportunity to see all these beautiful things. It is really a real joy to see the nice things. All those Onex stuffs, it was too good, and we appreciate.
And we are looking forward to buy something from the company of Onex.
And we appreciate the efforts of the owners who have brought all this here.